Hi everyone, Drazen here. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Yes, I am using voice from text to speech. Okay, in this video, I will talk about one of my favorite game engine. Its name is Construct 2. If you new in game development world, I will really recommend to use Construct 2. You don't really need know how to code for using this engine. As long as you know the logic. It's very simple. For example, you need your character to move to the left when you pressing A, then you just need to tell the engine, when you press A, move this character to the left. I think this is what make Construct 2 special for me, and also the Construct 2 have very simple user interface, which make it easier for explore. Well, if you want to be better at this game engine, you need to explore it yourself, try to make a lot of game even it's a simple one. Construct 2 also have a very big community, which make you easier to find tutorial and plugin as long as you have internet. Don't get me wrong, I keep saying this game engine is very simple, but I think it's powerful enough to make great game. So I think I will start a series about Construct 2 tutorial. I know there is already newer engine came out which is Construct 3, but I think they not really different and what you learn in Construct 2 can you apply to Construct 3. I start this Construct 2 tutorial, not because I am a pro at it, but I hope with this series we can learn together, so please leave a comment, like the video if you learn something new, and subscribe if you want more. So let's get ready, turn on your computer, open your Construct 2 and let's us learn it together. See you in the next video.